it's time for round two. Well, I'm gonna do as much as I can because it's late in the evening and I'm gonna get some potatoes up because I feel like it. Thought I cut that branch down. I've been cutting stuff down, cleaning stuff up. Oh man, there's one that was taunting me today. Taunting me. This one right here. It's like, I ain't gonna make it. I'm holding on for you so you could go ahead and harvest me. So it's right there. See that? That's a potato plant. So I'm gonna set you up here and we're gonna dig that one up and then we gotta look for the rest of them because they're dying back. So I better hurry up, huh? Let's get to it. Oh, I'm stepping on one. This is funny. Up goes the weasel. Still wet. Here's one. I wanted to show you how it looks. Very muddy, but it's here. I gotta be careful because the skin is coming off, but they're not rotten like they were the other day. Let me find a spot, I'll put it right here. So you knock the dirt off. There's a lot of worms in here. And there's another one right there. See that? Just proving that it's real. And there are roots on it when you pull it off. Let me see how many. Man, I got a lot on this one. Here's another one. There you go. And let's see. Oh gosh. There's some little ones. Look at that. That's cute. Yeah, I think that's, no, there's another one. I think this is the seed though. No, it's not. There we go. So I got 5 potatoes off of that. One plant. Put that right here. Here's my harvest from that one plant. Five to one, huh? 5 for 1. That's good. Go back in there. Let me see if I can bring you closer, huh? Okay, here's one right here. The sweet potatoes are like covering up everything. I have to move them aside because they are taking over. Taking over, man. They're not supposed to be on this side. I'm a little irritated with them right now. So this is a plant right here. Let's pop it up. Coming out of the dark. Here we are. Here's one. The worms hanging on. 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, I'm scratching it. 5. That one, 6. Take the plant, put it over here. Make sure there's nothing left behind. Uh-oh, let me pick these up, huh? How about that? Pick up what you harvested before you bury it. Here's what I got from that one plant. I know they're dirty. They just came out of the ground though. Let me take some of the mud off. There they are. Even worms are trying to hold on. Alright, I'm gonna put these to the side too. This one was rotting. See that? From the water. So I'm just gonna give that back to the ground. But I think I got everything. It's still wet out here. Still wet. Okay. There's one right here. Where did I say it was? I just saw it. Now my eyes are not focused. Oh, my focus lost its focus. There it is. Right there. It's right here. See that? That's sweet potato. I mean, that's a potato, a russet potato, not a sweet potato. I got beets out here, but oh well. The only thing I don't like about this fork is that it's slippery. Pop, life, what's the matter with your life? Pop, life. There we go. Potato, they were rotting. Woo. There's one. That's another one. It smells bad when they rot too. I think I just got 2 out of this one. Yeah, they rotted in there, so oh well. The cicadas are just annoying me. I don't like that sound. Try to cover this up, make it look halfway decent. Maybe my beets will come back, maybe they won't. I don't know. All right. And here's a beet. They're not big yet though. See, they're really small. Might as well pull up some of these beets, see if they're any good since I'm digging them up anyway, huh? I don't feel any kind of bulb on these. Just leave them there, Jamaica. All right. And this is the next one. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Let's see how much talent I have, huh? Who told you you could do that? All right. Put the fork right here and stick it in. Ooh-wee! One just popped up out of the ground. I got 2. One big one, two little ones. Ground is saturated underneath there. I didn't get them all. I got 2 so far. Let's see. I guess we throw this out. Let's see if we got any more. We do. We do. Oh, I'm glad I did this. I'm so glad. There's one, I think. Yep. Here's another one. This one rotted. See that? That's no good. Bugs are crawling on me. I thought I saw another one. I know I saw another one, but it's rotted. Look at that. No good. It smells. Yeah, I think that's it. I think they all rotted in there. All this rain. I shouldn't complain because sometimes, I'm praying for rain in the summertime and in the spring. I planted these early because I knew it was going to be dry, but now it's too wet and they rotted. But I got 2. 2 for 1. I only planted 1 potato, so I got 2 of them. 2 good ones right here. So that's I'm thankful for that. Oh, it smells so bad when they rot. Okay, let me see if this is a potato plant. It sure is. This is a potato plant right here. Man, I got a marigold there. So let me put these 2 up. I'll be right back. This is going to be interesting because the marigold is right there with 2 of them. Why did I do that? Shoot. I have to replant my marigold, I think. Can y'all see me? Yeah. There's one here and there's one here. And there's the marigold right in between it. Let me see if I could gently get these up without. Look at that. Look at that. 1. There's 2. And they rotted. Shoot. There's some rotten ones there. Okay. Ooh, I can feel the rotten potato. Here's a rotten one. Okay, let me get these out. Okay, I got 2. Let me put this back. Trying to put this back so this marigold will survive. Because there's another potato right here. Let me put these up. See where my spade fork is? That's a potato plant right there. Shoot. Pop it up. And it don't want to come up. All right, here's a potato. Oh, there's a lot of this. Some of them rotted, as usual. Yep. Yeah, they all disintegrated. I got two. Let's pull this out. And I gotta I gotta replant. I just threw my potatoes on the side. I gotta replant these marigolds right now. This thing out. Marigold, how you feeling? That is a marigold also. Put that back. Cover it up. Plant them. Wait a minute, is this a marigold? No, this is a piece of a potato plant. Okay, got the marigold. I think I got it back in. I don't know how I did that. All right, next plant. Step on that. Put some down on it. Spend a little time on it. Minna Jackson. All right. Here's one right here. Oh gosh, and another one right here. All right, one at a time, girl. Concentrate. Concentrate. Here's one right here. Yeah, one right here. Throw that over there. I think I'm getting close to the end. Tiny, what are you doing out here? Get my bird. She get more and more bold. Coming out here being nosy. Cleaning off my fork. All right, let me move these sweet potatoes, the vines out the way. Decided that they want to be over here. Okay, here we go. I always feel like I'm going through a potato when I do this. Like, why does that consistency feel different? Pop it up. All right. Here we are. This is what it looked like. See, they're connected. Gotta pull them off. Sometimes they fall off, but sometimes they are connected with the root. See that? Break it off. Some are, you hear the click? Oh gosh, I'm dropping. I got 3 so far from that one. Break this thing apart. Some of them are really small, so you have to feel, because they look like the dirt. Look at this one. Look at that baby right there. Oh, I'll put that back in the dirt. Look at this. They get really small. They can get super small. Put that back in there. Maybe I get some more potatoes. Here's another one. Restaurant style. This is why I'm pulling them up, because they're dying. See that? There's dead pieces on it. That's why I'm pulling them up. Otherwise, I'd have kept them in here longer. All right. So this is what I got from that one plant. On to the next. Let me put these up. Move these sweet potato vines out the way so I can get to it. Clean my fork off. I'm out here almost, I'm at this dusk. It's not morning, it's evening. I think this is the last one. I'll check one more time, but I think this is the last plant. All right, here we go. All right. Catch your breath, girl. Popped up. This is not glamorous, I'll tell you that. Not glamorous. Ooh! Here we go. Let me check, make sure I ain't throwing none away. But there's some big ones on here. I see a white caterpillar. I ain't never seen one of those. Here's one. I'm trying to unmask it. All right. Here's one. All right. Some little ones. Just feel through. Some rotten ones. See that? From all the rain. That's about it. Sure, I might have left some behind, but I got another 5-6 pounds of potatoes from this thing. Not bad for, I dropped one. Not bad for somebody to have left this, you know, the way it's been raining. This is not a bad harvest. It's more than I expected. Way more than I got last time. Last time I told you I put it in that tote, that was bad news for me. I don't know how other people are doing, but it didn't work out for me. So that's why I did it this way this time. All right, let me look. Yep, I'm at the corn, so I think I got them all. Time to look and see what we got. I think we got more last time, but that's okay. There is a lot of debris here from potatoes from, you know, that passed away. See that? Just leave that there to fertilize the soil. And I'll show you what we got. One more look. I want to come out here again with this spade fork. Yeah, we done. Mosquitoes are starting to get me, so I got to get out of here anyway. Even if I come out here again, I don't want to come out here again. Not for these potatoes anyway. Sweet potatoes, yes. Not these though. So, all right. Well, here it is. Got a little bucket here. I have to put them on a wire rack to dry off. I'm not going to mess with them too much, but I do need to get a little bit of this mud off, huh? Y'all can't see, can you? Just a minute. There we go. You know, next year will be better, I guess. Every year, this is my second, or how many times have I planted potatoes? I think this is my third time, because I gave up after that first time. I was really, really upset. Steady watering, they never flowered, so I should have known something was up with them. Just taking off a lot of the mud without peeling back the skin, because the skin is super soft right now. You don't want to rough them up a lot. You just want to knock some of that dirt off and let it dry with the dirt on it, and then you can knock it off, because the skin has to cure. You break the skin, you have to cook it immediately. All right. So these look all right. Make sure I don't bring any pests inside either. That's the snail. Then there's a lot of little ones here. Little cuties. These are the kind you pay a bunch of money for. Little, you know, little seed potatoes that you buy at the supermarket. I got a whole bunch of those, apparently. There's probably some more on those vines. I'll give them a look over again before I take them to the bin, the trash bin. I do need to get it away from my vegetables. But here's what we got. I'm grateful and happy. My beets weren't ready. I picked this one, so I might as well take it, huh? So this is what we have. I don't know how long these potatoes are gonna last, but I don't eat a lot of potatoes, so they'll be around for a while. I do not have to buy from the supermarket. That's the thing. And I doubled or tripled what I got from the store because I think the little bag had less than this. I could weigh it for you, but I have the other ones drying on a rack, and that's what I'm gonna do with these. So I'm gonna go and clean up these vines right there. Make sure I get all the little seed potatoes from there because there are little potatoes on there. And then I'm gonna turn it in and put it into my recycle bin. This is Jamerica with Jamerica Life. Go ahead and plant your potatoes because you'll get something. You'll get something. I don't know about totes. I'm doing in ground, okay? I can only vouch for in ground. If I could grow in clay soil, you could probably grow yours in ground too, unless you have bad soil. You know, soil that has lead or something, or sandy. I don't know, it might grow in sand if you give them no nutrients. This is Jamerica with Jamerica Life. I thank you guys for being with me, and I'll see you on the next one, all right? Bye.